unity the people of the land. They appeared the ambassadors. What a striking calamity! Who took our gold and gave us euro with abundant natural resources, mineral and agricultural products. How can we forget the effort of our poetic forefathers who put their serious effort to bring back our heritage? We are Wole Soyinka, children at Tebe and Chimamanda. Nigeria is a land which is known to the world. We have many representatives in the part of the world. This is Khadijah Are you going to want to wear up to Wall Street? Or are you going to our business minded? We have more and more and more in our blessed nation, Nigeria. We need to embrace the spirit of equity, fairness, unity, and justice for our next generation to be.
Ladies and gentlemen,